So there are a number of ways that you will cite research throughout your dissertation. I just want to talk about 4 quick things. The most obvious is in support of your argument. So this is where you talk about, we know this in the literature, but we don't know this. Therefore, this is the problem space that this dissertation or this study will address. Okay, so first of all, you're obviously going to support your argument using research. You're also going to use research to demonstrate your depth of knowledge of the existing literature. We call this the review of the literature. Chapter 2, longest part. You want to talk about themes that you noticed as you were reading through the research, and then provide the research citations to show where you found that, what you learned, what researchers are saying about it, what researchers might disagree with. So demonstrating your depth of knowledge of the existing research that's out there on your particular topic. You're also going to cite research to provide rationale for your study. This will typically happen in Chapter 3 when you're talking about your methodology, your design, your sampling strategy, your choice of a target population, your choice of how to access your target population, why you've chosen certain statistical procedures, or the qualitative approach that you chose, interviews over focus groups, etc. So provide that rationale as to why you made decisions for the design of your study. And then last but not least, you'll use research to define concepts. When you talk about your assumptions, limitations, delimitations, include definitions of what all of those are to show that you understand what it is. Validity, reliability, trustworthiness, ethical considerations. Define where those came from, what they mean, what all the different aspects are of them. So as you're going through writing your dissertation, a lot of times we think about the research that we're citing as demonstrating our depth of knowledge, and we just think about it from the review of literature, but there's a number of different ways and reasons for citing research and existing literature in your study. I hope this is helpful. Just wanted to give you another perspective as you're writing your dissertation. Thanks and have a great day.